And hey there, I just wanted to make this quick video for you if you're looking how to possibly fix the error codes that you have with the dishwasher, portable dishwasher by Comfee. So if you have error code E1, check the water supply is connected properly and the water is turned on. This is the first thing. Now when we are going to look here on the other errors, so when you are going to have the error E3, this is not reaching required temperature, heating tube or thermistor anomaly, it should be repaired by qualified worker. Then if you have overflow, so some of the element of dishwasher leaks if you're gonna have E4 there. Then E6, thermostat open circuit, it should be repaired by worker. E7, also it should be repaired by worker. And D, this is communication error, it should be repaired by qualified worker. Now, if you have the overflow, what you can try to do is you're gonna turn it off and then have it like this. Then you're gonna put the whole portable dishwasher and maybe it's going to like fix the leakage. So this is something that you can try to do and maybe it's going to fix the issue for you. So that was pretty much it. It was like from the manual that I wanted to share with you, and have a great day and goodbye.